What's up with it? What's up with it, my people, my people, my people? What's up? Hey, y'all know what's on the right. I drop something on the ground and make y'all pick it up. You right? Okay then. Megan the Stallion. Say, man, we finna talk about it, man. Before we start doing that, I want to say this here. Appreciate everybody that's rocking with me, man. If you ain't went and checked out the Downs Report, man, go check it out, man. I drop an exclusive interview, a live interview, a raw, uncut interview, an interview to make you think. And all I want to say is this here. Let's start putting some real game into the atmosphere. You heard me? But hey, man, listen, man, enough of that, man. Listen, y'all go check me out, man. Y'all know what time it is. If you ain't no subscriber, you need to subscribe right now to this channel. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe it. I'm just saying, though. Hey, man, listen. Megan the Stallion. A lot of honeys sitting around like, hey, man, you know I'm with you, Megan. That's her, Angela Reese. First of all, let me tell y'all something. I'm going to say this here really raw and uncut. Man, y'all quit acting like y'all like each other. I despise women that act like they really like each other. All in the name of we celebrities. Well, let's keep it real now. Everybody looking at Klay. She said Klay stepped out. She said Klay stepped out. Klay haven't said anything. She said Klay stepped out. Now, how many of y'all done been in relationships and the first thing that come out of female mouth is, you cheated this, you did that, you did that. Come on, man. We all done been through that. A female job is to automatically point the finger at the dude, right? And the reason why she want to point the finger at the dude because she want to hide her hand. Majority of females nowadays love to hide their hand. In reality, they are the main one that's out there in a relationship, in another relationships, doing all types of things. But they don't want to be considered the cheater. They don't want to be considered the one that's cheating. They don't want to be considered the one that's doing none of that. So all I'm going to say is this here. Klay Thompson is doing the right thing by not saying nothing. Klay doing the right thing by not saying nothing. You know why you don't say nothing? It's because there is a pattern in Megan the Stallion behavior. She's a good artist. She know how to twerk. She's a good performer. But after that, what's next? I'm just saying. After all that, what's next? See, we got to start looking at the bigger picture, man. Every relationship she done been in, man, with celebrities, and all I'm saying is every last one of them, they ended ugly. All of them. So do we keep blaming Tory Lanez and everybody else? Or when we going to start looking in the mirror and saying that, nigga, what is she doing? To all my women, say, man, all I'm going to tell all y'all women, man, they done been in multiple relationships and then none of them work. Say, man, sometimes it's time to look in the mirror, man. Sometimes it's time to look in the mirror. And I heard a woman say, well, we didn't know who Klay Thompson was. No, you didn't know who Klay Thompson was because you only watch hip-hop news. Yeah, you only watch hip-hop news. You only watch the news that the industry put out there. That means that you didn't know nothing about the Splash Brothers. You didn't know nothing about basketball. That's what it was. See, you got to realize, some of y'all don't know certain people because of this. Y'all watch the hip-hop news. Y'all watch the women that come on social media, shake their ass, show their monkey toe, and do all these things for attention. And once they sign to a contract, every last one of them come back with the same thing. Ooh, I got messed up on the contract. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. See, y'all only watch the messiness. Y'all don't watch nothing that got to do with other things. See, they brought a bunch of drama. Megan the Stallion brought a bunch of drama. But you look at that boy Klay. Klay didn't bring no drama. Klay was a basketball boy. Talking about he was a good basketball boy. Played for the Dallas Mavericks. Started messing with the woman. And next thing you know, he couldn't hit a three-pointer no more. Nigga, and it's not no joke or being funny, but sometimes you can be in a relationship that don't uplift you. You could be in a relationship that mess you up mentally to where you start losing traffic. You start losing a lot of things that you once used to do because the value not being put inside you. You know that, right? It's called the bad energy, the negative energy. So, man, now the victim is Klay Thompson. Yeah, but that's what he wanted, though. I'm not telling you I feel sorry for Klay, but I'm saying that, man, I understand what's happening. Klay always dreamed of getting, the ghetto. I call it the ghetto. The ghetto style with the round and the brown and sit around and they know how to shake it and twerk it. That's a lot of people fantasy until they finally get it. And once they finally get it, they realize that, man, I didn't know it was going to be like this. See, a lot of y'all didn't know it was going to be like that. See, that's why a lot of y'all sit around and think that, hey, man, you know what? I'm going to go from here to here. And you realize that, man, you done went from here to terrible. Now, I'm just saying, though. So quit everybody trying to point the finger at Klay because of what she said. Man, it's a lot of honeys that got a lot of people put behind them boys, behind what they said. And what they said was not true. So let's keep it real now. We gonna keep it 1,000. Let's keep it 1,000, okay? That's all I'm saying. If we gonna keep it 1,000, let's keep it 1,000. So all I'm saying is this here. Megan, your background supersedes your good side. It superseded, mama. So all I'm saying is, Klay, if you did, it's okay. It's okay, Klay. If she can't stand up under that pressure with you cheating, then hey, man, it's all right. It's all right. Don't you worry about it. Because, and all the women that's trying to promote Megan, man, every last one of y'all done cheated at least 10 times or more. And these are 100% facts. So with that being said, Klay, don't feel bad. You didn't fumble nothing, boss. You didn't fumble nothing. You just got out of the way or something. Hey, man, with that being said, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe, share, and go check out all the content I'm dropping. I just did a dance report. Go on my page and check it out. And listen, man, let's run it up.